Good evening, everyone. My name is Christopher Hernke. I am a student of computer sciences with a focus on artificial intelligence at the University of Advancing Technology. Today, I'm going to be walking you through my SIP boards presentation website and focusing on my 6 core objectives that I was meant to complete during my time at UAT. Firstly, this first part is just an introduction of myself, and this part is my SIP, which was called the Ace of Spades. It was a project meant to help reduce the amount of drunk driving in America. While I'm still working on perfecting this application and hopefully taking it to market in the future, it is still in a prototyping phase. The next part is my resume. You could click on the full image and it'll pop up as a clearer view. Easy enough. Now, this is my board objectives. Objective 1 was to develop, analyze, and integrate artificial intelligence applications and IoT or Internet of Things systems. I've worked with Internet of Things and some very simple AI work, but most of my work has been focused on machine learning, which was rather fun. And the videos of which can be found underneath this, I will not play them as they'll eat up most of my time, but as we were also asked to analyze, there's plenty of ways to see AI in the world. There's Alexa, Siri. Those are known as helper AIs. Very simple, they can complete pretty simple tasks without taking up too much power. But what I focused on mostly was medical imaging. It's an AI that is capable of it's an AI that's capable of detecting masses in scans, is what I focused on at least. That AI is able to tell if they're cancerous or non-cancerous with enough training at least. Number 2 was to demonstrate skills to design and create natural language processing systems. This one was a bit easier as my SIP, I'm trying to make it be able to read out the menu of several locations in different languages as a way to keep people from having to try and translate it themselves. The current project is on the link there. It's a application that will read out something to the user, but I myself have not worked with taking vocal commands yet. But it is a good start. If it can read, I can figure out how to make it right. Objective 3 was to demonstrate designing and creating machine learning using the best practices and patterns. Again, the same videos are linked, and they're of a spider project made in Unity that was made to make the creature learn how to walk using set parameters and all that. The spider will walk to the green circle, and if its body touches the ground, it will die and reset the simulation. Objective 4 was to demonstrate new and original deep learning by consuming big data with original algorithms. I could never find my actual code that I used for this program. It was the same project that I used in number 2, where it would read out a selection of data that it had collected from Wikipedia. But since I can never find the proper one, it was basically to make a short essay off the data it collected. And that link just leads to a little joke of mine that I enjoy. Objective 5 is to demonstrate software development skills using more than one language, development environment, platform, and source control system. My GitHub is linked below. That it's this icon so that people can just go to my GitHub, check it out, see what languages I'm using. And throughout my time at UIT, I've learned Java, Python, C++, C#, Arduino, and a little bit of HTML, but that was only during my first semester, and I haven't worked with it a lot since. These icons below show what I've used. I've used the Arduino environment, PyCharm, and Visual Studio as my creation environments. Number 6 was to describe, develop, analyze, and integrate data structures, databases, and database management systems. The only databases that I have worked with are for my SIP, the Ace of Spades, which would have a database of users as well as the drinks at each location. I currently only have example databases that aren't well protected or well managed, as the app is still in development. I plan on making those better in the future, as well as expanding them to be more protected as a way to prevent data breaches. The next part is where the video walkthrough will be embedded into the website, so I thank you for your time in watching this, and I hope you all have a lovely night. Thank you.